ሁላችሁንም ሁላችን ማከባችሁ ስለመጣችሁ በጣም እናመሰግናለን። እናውቃለን ብዙዎቻችሁ ሁላችንም ማለት ይቻላል በጣም ስራ ላይ የተጠመድን ግን እንደዛ ሆኖ እኛን አክብራችሁ ስለመጣችሁ እጅግ በጣም እናመሰግናለን። ጌትነት እባላለሁ። ይሄ ፕሮጀክት S5 ፋውንዴሽን ወይም ሶሻል ሳይንስስ ፎር ሲቪር ስቲግማታይዚንግ ዲዚዝ የሚለው 3 ሀገር ነው ያለው፣ ሩዋንዳ፣ ኢትዮጵያ እና ሱዳን። እኔ የኢትዮጵያ ፒአይ የኢትዮጵያን ሪሰርች የኢትዮጵያን ምመራው ነኝ። ስለዚህ በዛ መልኩ ራሴን ላስተዋውቅ፣ ምናልባትም ትንሽ እንዲያው የዚህ የፕሮጀክቱን ታሪክ ተናግሬ የክብር እንግዳችንን የመክፈቻ ንግግር እንዲሰጡን ጋብዛለሁ። 2007-2006 በፈረንጆች ይመስለኛል፣ ምናልባትም እንደዛ አካባቢ ይመስለኛል እና ስኩል ኦፍ ፐብሊክ ሄልዝ ሰሚናር ስጥልኝ ብለው እዚህ አዲስ አበባ ዩኒቨርሲቲ ስኩል ኦፍ ፐብሊክ ሄልዝ ሰሚናር ስጥልኝ ብለው ጋበዙኝ እና በዛን ጊዜ ሰሚናር ሮራን የምታደርገው ፕሮፌሰር ጌል ነበረች፣ እዚህ ታስተምር ነበር እና ያኔ ሞር ኦፍ ባዮሜዲካል ሪሰርች ላይ የሰሩ ነበር እና ፕሮፌሰር ጌል ፖዶኮኖሲስ ላይ ወላይታ አካባቢ። በዛን ጊዜ ነው ከእሷ ጋር መተዋወቅ ነው ወደ ፖዶኮኖሲስ ሪሰርች። እኔ በተወሰነ ሌቨል ከዛ ጊዜ ጀምሮ ሶሻል ሳይንሱን አስፔክቱን ከዚህ ጋር ቲንክ ብዙ የሉም። ደስታ አልመጣም፣ ዶክተር አባየው አልመጣም። ከዛ በኋላ ዶክተር ክቡር እዚህ ጋር አለ። የተለያየ ሶሻል ሳይንስ ሪሰርች ባለፉት 10 ዓመታት ይሰራ ነበር። ከዛ በኋላ ግን ብዙም ፐብሊሽ አድርገናል። ከዩናይትድ ግራንት አግኝተን ከሌሎችም ግራንት አግኝተን ከተለያዩ ሰዎች ጋር ብዙ ፖዶኮኖሲስ ላይ ብዙ ሰርተናል። ከዛ በኋላ ግን በ2018 ዶክተር አበባየው የኔም ተማሪ ፒኤችዲ ተማሪ ይፈትን አንድ ዶክተር ሻዱ ዘማን የሚባል ከእንግሊዝ ሀገር እዚህ መጥቶ ነበር። እንደዚህ በፖዶኮኖሲስ ላይ የሰራ ሻዱ ዘማን ከፕሮፌሰር ጌል ጋር አንድ ላይ ነው የሚሰራው። ግን ዘማንን ደግሞ እየታውቀዋለሁ ዩኒቨርሲቲ ኦፍ አምስተርዳም አብረን ፒኤችዲ ሰርተናል። ሱፐርቫይዘራችንም አንድ ነበር። እሱ ሲመጣ ያኔ በመጣበት ጊዜ we got the opportunity to get reunited እና we started talking about why not we start another social science project on health, and that's how we started this one. So NIHR, National Institute for Health Research in UK, global research and innovation for global health transformation, announced a call on severe stigmatizing skin diseases. So we included social science on the title that they already announced, and then we submitted pre-proposal, and we got through, and we got small seed grant. Sorry, I think I have to shift to English because we are going to do it in English. So we got small seed grant, and we had a workshop at Gion Hotel that a lot of people attended, including even patients and patient networkers and academics and people from Rwanda and Sudan. They came here, and we had a writing workshop at Gion Hotel in 2018 in December. And then we wrote, after that we wrote the full proposal, and again we were granted this research grant from National Institute for Health Research, UK. And the collaborators, as I said, are University of Rwanda in Rwanda, Mycetoma Research Center in Sudan, and Brighton and Sussex Medical School at the University of Sussex. So that's how we started this project. And there are the project is on 3 stigmatizing skin diseases: scabies, porokeratosis, and mycetoma. But we don't have mycetoma here in Ethiopia, so we are focusing on scabies and porokeratosis. In Rwanda, they are also focusing on porokeratosis and scabies. In Sudan, they are focusing on scabies and mycetoma. So in each country, in each country, 2 diseases are the focus of attention. So after we got the grant, following the proper due diligence, we recruited a number of team members of this project. And I would like now to introduce these team members. We advertised on the website and through different networks. A number of candidates applied, we shortlisted, we interviewed, and we recruited a number of candidates, team members. So I would like to introduce. And please raise your hands and maybe stand up and wave your hands when I introduce each of you, of the team members. So our postdoctoral fellow is Dr. Kubur Mdawak. He is postdoctoral fellow. Kubur is homegrown staff member in the Department of Sociology. He was also my PhD student before in another grant from NIH. He recently finished his PhD. Then we have PhD students at Disu Chagay, who is just coming here, from Waldo University, who is working on PhD. We have also Dereje Wonde from Jimba University. Then we have Taganish Murugeta, another PhD candidate at the School of Journalism at Addis Ababa University. She's also working. She's working on her PhD, but at the same time also working on public engagement for us because she comes from communication background. We have also Adamu Tesfaye from Austria. He's ICT and knowledge manager at Austria, but at the same time working on digital communication for us, a public engagement part. Then we have also Zeriun, who didn't come, who is from Addis Ababa University School of Arts. Who is also manager of Addis Ababa Cultural Center, but working part-time with us on community theater. Community theater. We want to engage the public through community theater. And we have also project coordinator, Dr. Garredo, who I hope you all are familiar because he has been communicating with you throughout. Dr. Garredo is our project coordinator. And we have also Alazar here, finance officer. Part-time is 40%, finance officer. And then, usually in many of my grants, I also, outside of the budget category or outside of the budget, I recruit also usually 1 or 2 students, MA and PhD students. Just we give them, our PhDs are registered at Brighton and Sussex Medical School, but, and their budget is already clearly, slotted already, but we are trying to find out a small budget to support fieldwork, and we have recruited 2 PhD candidates who are registered at Addis Ababa University and who will receive small field support, fieldwork, and also will be affiliated to this project, attend this kind of and other meetings. And here we have Bikila here, and we have also Borla Ismail. They are working, both are working, one is working on prognosis, the role of men on caring and prevention, the role of men, gender aspect of prognosis, and we have also Borla who is working on scaling. So I asked them to somehow to join this project and get more support in that level. And then also I think Mavre, I don't know if he has come, and we are considering also to support him while working on his SCAPES project among all of the marines, among this priest, church students who are attending and SCAPES among those, and there is a student, I don't know, I think he didn't come. And then we have also respected advisory board members here too. Dr. Mbitike Molla, Vice President for Technology Transfer, Research and Technology Transfer at Addis Ababa University, and our Strategic Advisory Board members. Strategic Advisory Board members, they advise us, when we encounter hiccups, when our risk register really gets elevated, we usually turn to them and ask for advice. And we expect also that they will enhance our engagement activities, public engagement activities. Dr. Bitke is a public health specialist and from School of Public Health, and now higher university official. Thank you, Dr. Bitke, for coming, and thank you. And we have also Dr. Ruth Dikasa from practicing dermatologist, and who also played a key role in establishing, dermatology training center others who is also now part of our project as strategic advisory board. Thank you, Dr. Ruth, also for coming. So with this, I will come back later on. I will introduce the project as a whole.